Where is my money?
Excuse me?
Excuse yourself. Where is my money?
The fact that you have no self-respect is not even the problem. But you're extending it to me. If you don't respect yourself, you just barge into someone's space and where is my money? Does this place look like a bank? Yeah, trying to Anna.
I'm not here to listen to dictionary or any type of grammar. I'm just here for my money.
Well, I don't have your money.
You have my money.
What money?
My money that I wanted to use to travel to abroad. And you stand my back and you want to collect part of the money. Are you not ashamed?
Is this place an embassy?
No, listen. Are you not ashamed? After all that I come here to tell you, I don't have a place to sleep.
Am I not ashamed?
Yes, because I came here to beg you to help me. You didn't help me. But you stand my back to collect my money. You are ashamed.
Hey, now wow.
Now wow.
Am I not ashamed?
Yes, I'm asking you, I'm not ashamed.
No, usika saying pana wosha ebesumi.
Sure. Adepena na no nyesika ebesumo. Say me 10 pesos a crown now, I will ask for it. And I want it right now. I'm telling you.
I don't have your money.
You have my money, Adepena.
Yeah, George. Sika me diama o ye titin wo sika na enyo dia send me nimu a. Wo de make saying.
Yeah.
Sisi.
Adepena, anything that you gave me, you didn't tell me it's a what they want be
I didn't tell you it's a what?
It's a debt. Or maybe it's a profit. You told me that I should everything that you gave me, you said I should collect it. Free of charge. You didn't tell me that I should keep it for you. You collect it back. So right now, I'm asking for my money.
Yeah, George, I don't owe you. I can't even owe you.
You owe me.
I can't.
You owe me.
Have you looked at yourself and looked at me?
You can't owe me.
No.
But you owe me.
It's not even possible, George.
My money is with you.
You're just being insane.
Insane?
Yes.
Adepena, I will show you my insaneness from tomorrow going. I don't think you can keep this place.
Because?
You run from this place, I'm telling you. You know Tina? You know what happened to Tina? Right now, where is Tina? I've break Tina down.
Do I look like Tina?
Okay. If you want peace of mind.
No, do I look like her?
And I'm telling you, if you want peace of mind and tranquility and serenity, just give me my money in peace. Or else, Adepena.
Yeah, just so after I have explained what tranquility and serenity means, you're using it on me.
Oh yes, because I don't think you want tranquility and serenity. If you want tranquility and serenity, give me my money. In a simple way.
Hey,
in a calmness way. Because me right now, baby, I don't know.
I know. You're so shameless.
I'm shameless. I'm shameless. You have a brand to protect. It's called Zenith Retreat Center. You have a brand to protect. But me, I don't have a brand to protect. So you can't compare yourself to me. So if you want peace of mind, if you want this place, Zenith Retreat Center, feel amazing inside, out, and in. If you want this place to stay forever and stay longer and stay healthy for people to come in every day, every night, give me my money.
Yeah, George, I'm not going to say this for the 1,000th time. I don't have your money. And I cannot. It's not even possible.
No problem.
You came begging for a place to lay your head.
Okay.
Few days ago.
Okay.
So how was it? You would now baby dano.
Then I'll give you music.
No sika. I can't find a chamber hobby.
No problem.
I was sika yetimi at the dine car, at the job car. I can't find how home.
This space.
Yeah, George.
You will never feel this space again. I'm telling you.
Yeah, you can't do nothing.
I'll come here like a regular customer.
Hey, you are threatening me.
I'm not threatening you.
You are.
I'm not threatening you.
Yeah, George. Who bought toffee with the same? Who bought toffee with? Eh, I know they're showing me. I know toffee on back.
What toffee back is it?
What number? I'd say 30,000, no. I'd say, but we'll be at 10,000.
Why do you like comedy?
Maybe my sound was with the toffee more than 4.
Why do you like comedy like that?
Me.
You don't.
Who is a comedian?
Listen, you don't want to keep this space, isn't it?
What you have praise? Me a comedy.
You don't want to keep this space. You want to keep this place? If you want to keep this place, pay me my money. But if you don't want to keep this place, continue. Continue to.
I don't want to keep this place. If I don't want to keep this
place,
place,
continue to do it back and forth with me.
Back and front.
You will lose Zenith Retreat Center.
Me, I'll lose Zenith. Because of what? 30,000. George.
A word to a wise.
This one is in the south. Get out.
I'll be back.
Oh, you can't do Poco.
Like Commando Kojinaba.
Oh, won't mean anything.
I'll be back.
Won't mean anything. Oh, BBI and
I will be
what about the Jessica? Oh, BBI.
No problem.
Okay, yeah. I didn't want here.
I didn't. Don't push me to the wall.
Push me to which wall?
Don't push me.
Where is the wall? She will check on the switch. Where's the wall?
You stand above to correct my money.
Yeah, stand your back.
I'm not ashamed. Can't you see me? Like, me humbo nyobo. What's the major with music?
Mama Whisker.
Prepare for East Legon police station.
Who's your police station?
Yes, because this case is going to police station. I'm telling you.
Why? Did I come to your house? Make my trip also. Yeah, George. When am I out to make police station? The police station or your car? Meet me in Kasana. When I will meet me in Kasana. Yeah, they heard out to a room. Why do you drama? Who took pain? Where the bad man come by across the way? I don't know. My mom said, "Fan come on and you up." But I said, "You priest this priest, you can't go this priest." I'll grow young no Simra. What the hell? Simra. Yeah, hello? Good. Can you see can you see the Icon Event Center? Yeah. Yes, that building. Okay, so count 3 buildings from the Icon Event Center. Yes, the black gate, yes. Okay, please enter. Yes, it's opened. Yes, okay. Yes, they just come through. I'll see you shortly. Okay, babe, see you. All right, sure. Hey.
Hello.
You finally meeting.
Hi,
Hello. Come here. Look at you.
Hey.
Hey, do you want this from me?
Let's see. What a nice things here.
Thank you.
Wow.
You wear it.
Thank you.
I love this. Turn around. Hey. You're showing skin.
How are you?
Well,
You're good.
where are you?
You seem very strong.
Where are you?
Yeah, it's really nice. I need to come here for some treatment. Yeah, so miss you. Wow. I need to come here. I need to take time.
Sweetheart, turn up and on.
Oh, I'm okay.
See, there is champagne, there is wine, we have coffee, all sorts. Cappuccino, mochaccino, flat white, name it. And open swap.
No, I'm good.
We have room temperature, frozen, ice cubes cram to me.
Be okay. I just came for a brief
I'm so
visit.
happy you are here.
Aw.
Come on. Hey!
How have you been? I've been worried about you. Are you okay?
Ubusa. Miss say.
I dare, sir.
Yo, George.
Yeah.
All free hair new.
Wabaha.
Oh.
Obeyede.
First question, how did he even find here? Because only baby. I say he cried to Google. Or say I cried to Google. Google knows what kind of Google. Oh.
Has he been following you around or something?
I don't know if he has some GPS embedded in me or what. Because me say we pay me so obaya so a obedan ne ka
Eka ben.
se sika no ni sika no de kwa brochuri
Yeah.
machi da po se meje Girl, lady no, enyo. Ena me catch and so. On face can offer their come farmer Frank. And Frank say he doesn't want to be a part of such transaction. In the end, Monsieur Kionde, changing try or the best sending me on family. In the end, Monsieur Ken, no, say 50,000.
Yeah.
Then you offer 20,000. Now, I initially offer 30, my Frank consider me to offer to my accounting. See, Frank and the dinner man or they sending me. And see, Frank name or no it in common. Essay sikasem na enyo ne denden me hwe we piem ha
Ebeji ni sika.
yeah
Say me catch real.
babes not me o beji sika o me ho na aha sika no me bisa na bosia say me nje ne bosia bia na hwe ka me mabo ya George ho look at how invested I am in this relationship. I've put in so much and nothing but disgrace. Eventually, he made me a laughing stock. Me, a dear penna.
I told you, when you came into the relationship, when you were new in the relationship, now dying. I'm out baby George, and baby George. I need to take the money for baby George. I told you. Bema, only need trim now, only need jay or say, I dare woe or medicine. Who does that?
Who does that? I didn't know or said or did see a sikam. Okay.
Into the man.
Me. Lalai. Never ever. Will like
now, George, you knew what, dear sir.
What can it get out?
Very shameless.
I used as if you were there. You are ashamed. Also say I am ashamed. Also no answer until the American see you say.
I will say now only the one on this on table.
Because she was I am ashamed. Very shameless. I'm very ready to tell you.
Hey, baby George.
Baby George. Onye. Onye na asɛm wa ne bebe. Onye Bible ka sɛ ɔmo musu ne ɔmo musu. Onye mbe so be just baby George. O buy me prayer George so say baby. I don't like. Ma Charlie, o dey di me o.
I'm sorry.
Ha.
I'm sorry. It's okay. It's better late than never. At least when you're 30,000.
Need tissue.
Are you going to cry?
No.
Don't cry.
30,000 now can me Jason.
At least when you're 30,000. I hope he doesn't pester you because I know what that boy can do. Titi or Titi, up till now, whom you'll be certain as so coaching is sick.
Pester who me? Ko a bet you go over him. Me. Nasa me na me one a dying tin account.
Are you telling me?
Oh no.
Baby
George. Anyway.
Yeah.
Your friend is saying, one my baby George has no cry.
Yeah.
The same.
I love it, babe. It's so classy. Patricia, what treatments are you going to give me when I come? Tell me.
So I'll start with the IV treatment.
Okay.
It's the IV therapy.
Okay.
Darling. Almost have vitamins now, but now it will be actually no antibiotics.
Yeah, supplements. No.
Yeah, no. We give it to you.
Oh.
Yeah, the food ni pedrimu. You are relaxed. The ambience. Obaswa. You serve you complimentary drinks on the house.
That's nice.
And see champagne open, wine open, a den open. Star Club. Ni nebi wa ha.
Star Club.
Yeah.
Now the GIV.
It's just again no. Ya share your home bonnet.
Thank
you. It's Legon. Internet just say, Oba de ope piano. Your mouth foot massage. As we are attending to you, we're also making you more relaxed. So they don't bit me yeah, nutritional support and so on. And if you want to lose weight, to say weight loss no, in one would do be brave. And go for where I may no monjaro where I may no say. Nina, you will be what I say, and a day needing no swa. It's me, Jumano. Weight loss, what Janebo fame is not too expensive. You can afford it for all. Oba has say anything about wellness. anything about wellness, personal care. To say, yeah, me staff need there top notch.
Really?
Ah, let me ask you.
Sir,
Oh yes.
They are SMS.
Hey. Who's on a site now? The construction, no. But me a bit overwhelmed with the George issue. No, I'm saying, it's calming me down. The environment, it's it's pleasurable.
Yeah.
Into higher chance say me ko jinje wiase me mu heat wo mitrim na masa ko jina wiase na enhia ntutu obogu mi hunim
na okay
and I was there mami amemeje ayaresa answer into no I've been here for some time now me call workshop on menko site so
wow I need to book an appointment please
with me book online appointment with my Zenith retreat at gmail.com or send me an email. You be sure come would let you know when our availabilities are. Now, I mean,
let's see, I'll do that.
I
want to try the IV treatment. Say, no, my come.
Oh, Papa, we read here, but glowing skin, you can't glow fee. You be more with your shine, na. Bruniba, a chewa, chance any good.
That's how we like it in town. Babe,
no, I've got you sorted, Ankasa.
Thank you.
We don't to so.
Thank
so
you.
Oh, Papa, you will not even see yourself.
Ahuofe, I was saying to Kyekyeku. I said we go Germany to Patricia. I beg you some project, but this I mean you will be doing come once and share then see it. I think you go that.
Me there, you see here.
We in Paboni me
Ah, na nyina me ba be kra o.
We in Paboni me.
Huh?
Obenin them Chroma 3 days, 4 days, pen out. Well, about this time, me meet me PA, was up, ya, was out.
O se me be preparation. Me ko me kwa mincho. Me kwa mincho.
Now me say, sir, you will land the issue. Boy, friends like George. Consider no kaka like the way I will see Bahalum say, "Go back to Abena Crank or Bekacho." They see what me Bahalum 3 times a day, and I was slow. They are Kajano no now. So Kwabansa no about the starting.
Ah, Obaha.
Share.
No,
I blasted those it in or Hanim saying.
Someone any day.
Or Bab man no money seeking you now. Or say it is we need be a me too now. This was aqua crossing and dear bay. Tell the Casa be Abna catching me met on a hard day.
Media. The me catching na wo ani so. Minim wo bia wo sem de boa no. Because boy na wo hwe nso gu mi so no. I was saying me who the reason want to hwe nso gu mi so. Say bia ya soma no ya bo ne pa na no. I was saying me who boy no. Na me busa say krachi. Edi enti na me nya wo hwe na hwe nso gu mi so. Oh, on se Ghana ha no assistant say eye hu kakra. I was saying me hu na me na madam ho so.
Omusa na. Adena Beas o ya e mmobo bisa.
Masa, ehin na ofi a oba akra.
Onsa o kira onsa nko.
Konko ni kuro mo ya na wadi bwane nso oni kuro mo. Wotu kwan abu obi kuro so. Wo bobobra na oba ye no adena amfa.
Ko wachi.
Ko kuro mteke.
Nesa onsa nko na chi.
Onko ni kuro. Hwe ade aga na ye no. Minya o hwe. No timi hwe nso gu mi so. Hwe do ye na ye wa anka wo mfa nche no. Ade aga na ye no. On se anka wonti no omfele
mun ya men kan sa
so omfele ti se no so wo patch wa ma me ba
no won se o ahia o gbetwu akosi ahia
ewiase na sa na ti o on se so obi ba bibi tu obi a de obeka nso wo fa che nyame na de ma ba wo to a se nya wusu no nti no forgetting why forgetting enti no
Mate, 2 years or kwa no.
They say this week na meko.
10 years.
See be ba bia minim de say yes abi share there.
Hey,
makra wa no.
Usumari say na me pen. What come into there nimre we dey.
Huh?
Nimre we dey.
Na say musumari run. Nani na. Some abandon.
Hey! Hey, what's that?
Oh, na man day.
That na better feel na worry.
Enche me wale.
O ba na we kwale you sa na was akọ.
Next year me date me be wale.
Mati ba o de ye meet ansa no akọ.
Mati, we me try. Why?
Why?
Ba me fro. Kasa de be kasa, se me hu ko be kasa. Why?
Been a minute.
Way
too long. Yeah. Check it. Oh. Yeah. Locked in a cage, I'm out on making.
Most so cool. It's when only there one come. I just want to pass it. Get you.
So also say.
Also.
Frank. Boss. Sisi am no say taxi adwuma na wo ye. Am wow. Ko me nya show so bi wo ha o twi taxi. How 25,000 eda ho. Say me twi taxi mo 25,000 eda ho. Say ska no. Na kaso. E bi ni ho.
Na bi obi o.
Oh, bi ani bi. Em tie.
Now besides you twi ye na when you 25.
Me person me so no so ko e bi na ho. Ti de person me kire won say e de na me nya ma wo. Me mefa won kwa America hobby. Ana me nya bibi ma wo. Se car na pese wo twi dia. Me nyu fi taxi no mo mfa won ko. I think say nka bus pa be wo ka ma.
Yeah.
Ka adwuma de me nya nka yi hu free.
Ne ma be na de akoma so be sen ke bi agbo aye ba. On say for now no ka adwuma na me re. Be tika. Ya me ka no na aye dada kra na bi a pesen ka. Ko to mu no ma me kra na ka me sum na ka ja. Ya ye adwuma ka. On say oba ka mo ni timi nja on to pansa. Aka me pe mu no bi a be some years to come bi a me ba America kra na. Ba for now ne kam nya ka ni bia ankeja
we say no mu fi say we ska is kaburo
He
can some kese can be do o boss wo ska
kana na ofe
boss kana
na ofe Frank kana na ofe
o de ni ma me pedie
e na pedi ni no boy no bo mo bulo car drivers ya nyum no
boss
sa Mati
Adepena. Yes, I don't know. Oh, Namiado. Nana mi obi pie.
Oh. Me chama no say uche ni ha.
Chama. Yeah, abena chama.
Adepena.
Chama boss. That's my.
We meet again.
Yes,
right?
we do.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you again.
And that's my.
My love. My who say.
The beer etim. No na we na dia me George. The beer etim.
Can you George?
I want to assassin. A dynasty.
Oh, hi.
George, no pouch on. No, yeah. George, the girlfriend.
Yeah, George going. Your shoes.
I confess now, I can make a baby George, but
my boss will share so good. We not George.
Only sister.
Yeah.
Only George are children planner.
Yes.
None
Hi. Hi. No, but as a more.
Now, what's your first day? Adepena. Oh, I see.
Why?
Why are you?
And why you be
I'm a boss, no. Yet, say, George, I ain't your same kakra, but I mean, see, be a winning dear, so on country as well. The boss of free, I will cheap bass assassins. Obey and one to me, over to George, it's a boss so. You know, the Danny Chairman, I will name George. Oh, but if you are not George, born or two so weird, a goodness so.
What?
George, oh, she so good, my boss so. And I say, I'm a boss, see the eye and the day, this way.
You say he gets physical with people?
Yes. Well, psychophobia so better if you are near Nimnipa crop, up to now, Nimnipa crop in the better if you.
I don't know, yeah.
My boss won't to free you.
Oh, he's so good.
So she so my boss.
I don't know anything.
Oh, my yana, me call him assassin.
Okay.
Because I'm a channel. To me, I'm assassin, so I or starting so did Matona.
What?
Just like that.
So soon too.
Onunya kukudo hwenso guso.
Yes.
Now who said they will see a boyfriend who knew Suban. Oh, wouldn't pebia or assassin to our boy. Oh, movie bia.
Metete. But genuinely say ultimately when him hwenso guso dia. If it was me, I'm sadder na obeko. Because men are dear media. Me sadder na me kukru no ne nyoma na gu dining mono. You have every right. You have title to the property. Hey, what dear? Enti dia wo pe e na wo de beye. What to me nkan wo hwe. So say do mo ka say wo de no de dia me pa dia nka metu no. Enti no.
What did you
no? Ana we jeja.
Me too no ba mo pa cho.
Why na pa cho?
Frank.
Why na pa cho?
What did you ba na ka?
Which na say. Why na pa cho?
I dey penal.
Ya wo tre. Why na pa cho?
Frank e pa cho say mami ntu no.
Me pa me can be so me ma no kokochia. Right.
Mintu no. Mati.
Oh, Frank. Ade oye en wanye ni.
Eno de me na.
Nti afa tu no. Ya George, tu no. Ope bulldozer kra na. Masase wase ho me yeso adwuma metimi dia rental. Tu no. Evict him from the property. Me ma ne ntina ho ne ma de enchichina. Enne ya kutu no. Me wo bulldozer. Eye adwuma wasase no so wase ho. Me de be rental. Escalate. You know. Yo George. Yo George ade odi aye me no.
Yo de.
Say yo George ade yo.
Besu wa hai ene kwai na na obesu ye penal so ya wate.
Mati. Why?
Metu no.
Mati.
Yo George.
Oh inside na me.
Yo George. For the man film one me pap na wa be camera.
Metu no. Why? We metu no. Enti hina na ya George hina odene da.
Boss, who dey wasem dey. Enkan.
Enta abodan dey fi assassin so na oba na bedem.
Odo dey ya na ya kuma me ni so.
Sa blo so no ko. Nti o mu a.
I don't when forget na.
David.
Nani kan na boss ade.
Ani ya George say ni pe no what ase ma no.
Say, eja. Omasem dey na me shedan kan be what ase.
Ani e ma na efo.
David.
Sa omunyafo.
Edu bebi a omo a mu woskan.
Ayo won atra.
Nada na ye ana mu fisi fa wo pe oba o church mo sa.
E dey kokko no, on say obi a o ha o ti fa so.
Si ya George timi ni oba we ya dade a. Ena mi nka mi tumi na se ya. O se nka ma ne e ba me so.
For what reason sika?
Huh?
Sika.
Say sika.
Boss, you be an pe sika.
If you want to say Russia ni bi buy follow me no mu di nachi.
Meet we say social media baby.
Follow me ti.
Na nya bia na ya George dey nice guy say.
Nya car na mami ananka boss. I miss.
Mati, why?
Boss any pacho me wo wife.
So se car na pe.
Oh car.
To the meto ni one.
Frank na dream bi fufuo hu na car ni dey say o je atwi.
Afra no moja o.
Joy car ni twi.
Dream bi fufuo ananka maka chire.
Dream bi fufuo.
Entiano no ni kwa so mama ansa street answer say car na na pe. Kase bia boss what nti no wo kwadwene ho. Sa na ni pani kasa. What? So wo dwene ho amenche. Ene ho so wo ti asem mu pa o.
Sesa na bena akoto mu bi na. Eja. But we dey na ye. George ni dey onye o.
O so le no ase atade akese akese. Kwasi amimi nto asase na wo.
First time I be hu oni girl. Me bisa me ho question saa se wrade. Boy no sa boy ni wa tete me catch him so na dey like what is it about him a girl we di nachi. No di nachi no.
Na forget na ye adwuma.
You any am say bo afaji.
Oh, Amanda, Serwaa, so dia wo ko dey.
Nyame ade bibia boko.
Now with the actually it is my responsibility and it is my defeat to do that for you. And I say you want to catch him from and I think say Ndra na say me no kasa na say Serwaa say the condo shawarma kinkeni bread. So I was contemplating to see which one is which. So we nyan to was here. Where I check it. Yes. Where I check it.
Say that me the enemy ana.
Oh, and so okay. Because now they are so. Eh?
Then the people know me.
Oh, then me yet to see. Me the way I the decoration. What I say? No, me say mama took a can am family and I say that we okay.
Yeah, man, now but try. Yeah, that's it.
What I say? But I say wow, say sometimes they are catch you. See be any afraid na me refi. Say wow. Tell me to muntu no. Be any afraid me like I'm there for you. Like I'll do everything like to make someone make okay. If you are so big to us when I'm swapping us so that you don't say na wo ye no akete fu akuma mu. Ade a ekotuna say mfi makoma come in here. Let me come what I say. Between two empty cars, between like obi to us see the resources. Hey.
Bro, free the
Serwaa. But you dem kakra me. What I say? Mami nyere swimming pool kakra.
When I train kakra, but me anka na say me sure ne maybe a we are manage ho. I say we are there you are trying. I say Amanda. I say
I'm very calm person.
You say a chopa na hu ne ma na we.
Say adwumbo ni bia nta chire. Eye efrak mom kan suti. Efrak mom kan adwumbo ni bia na chire. So be ade de ben ko a. Ade de ben ko a. Mami nyere swimming pool kakra what? Mami nyere swimming. Oh nice, so nice.
Hey, you be bu mi sisi ade.
Kafla Serwaa. Sisi inde this ade. Ade mi tu.
I have Frankie ni koko. Fan show.
That was okay.
And I okay that stuff.
Obende. Serwaa.
Channel should be.
Masa dan unse Serwaa hwe. Me pese me dam nsu. E wo mema bia mu. Because hu me no hu se me mini. What I say? Serwaa, munko na munko didi.
Yeah, that's.
And I satellite me boss Serwaa. And I do pia e da so. And tell me tutu.
Oh, man.
AK-47.
Men.
Oh, yeah, right. Amanda, but you're not sure Serwaa so here. So you are a very nice person.
No problem.
Just for my heart to do everything for you.
No problem.
Me.
Why?
The nya dia I feel na me ko catch nyankopon say ade we me yama me no me pemfa so be afuru so. Me pemfa so be afuru so. I just for my heart I want to do it for you. Why? Serwaa.
That's why.
Miss me that's.
That's it.
Why?
Yeah, boy.
And Serwaa, I'm coming to back come we.
Yeah, locked in a cage of my own making. Lost between the hearts that we were breaking. I seen your face in the shadows of the neon light. Praying for the day we finally make it right. Every
Fanta, bro. Why?
Staring at the clouds while the seasons pass by. Kept the letters that I never even sent. Wondering if you knew exactly what you meant. Now I'm standing at the terminal, hard on my sleeve. Watching you walk through the gate, I can finally breathe. Now we back in the rhythm, back in the flow. Yeah, we back. Nowhere left for us to go but home.
I don't know that.
Me mebio.
This time they meet.
Hey.
Oh,
Wow.
what?
Oh, wow.
Oh, mean to.
There be a minche.
Me told you, now they're meeting.
Listen, if you know, you say, what was the walk here? 2 hours to me. The patrol. What is it? You feel? Anytime I'm dying. Send a mini pass, baby. I'm telling you, oh, yeah. Can they slow with some of the suspect? I will never do that. Yeah,
I'll bet disrespect.
I said, oh, man, go run them. Anything about me disrespect. Mr. Patty, maybe I don't know. Say, Okasa, who Pamomia, Bra, me double in Tiache. Be savings, who anymore? Be bank account, can't blend them. I'm the one hand. Mr.
Let me have an hour.
Say taxi now, let me treat taxi.
Taxi now.
Paper charge.
Taxi driver.
Paper charge.
Announce them one day.
And because na me, o say dey no ban, o say obiada. Na unya na ko run dem a.
Kwanu tu na nye untina mo. Me mra so say me check in. Omo ne makasa o.
That's all fry an.
Me kwa no no. Omo say oba ha nyi bia omo fe me ka kire. Na me say this all the boy na bansa. So what the team me.
Okay boy me hu ni. Me ko hu ni ba bia because One many so also American Kawajina, Augusto.
Hey, at the engine when you be a good when you soon was woman as I say. Born or I don't obey you. Huh?
Who the only? Young man, white paper, no sketch seduce. At least, or sketching now. You may idea of who. So, who betting?
So the boy in the crap picture background now, on one picture moon back me who know.
Hey!
Now sketch everything must get.
Hey!
Me kind of.
Call you serious.
Oh,
I can't 5 days.
Landlord.
See, I can't 5 days. Say 1, 2, and I'm on to now. Memma so you nina ba. No, memma ma one kasa and no more.
Landlord. Landlord.
Oh dear. As mercy. Yeah, no. Yeah, na.
Open my team and you know, I can't hear and
can't be
As I see the media.
tell me, and man creativity way. At least one kid to grant a yamabo. Nanny panning me fan terminal. What's my radio man park of free?
Do creativity now to be here and no any
open my creativity. I am fat. Me
media ever. Media fat.
To be not one thing.
And yes, she saw near the first person I bet that one thing.
Open yourself. Oh dear, baby, I do know. Some when you baby, I'm not even
so 5 days. Eh, na ka me ka bia ma say at least nipa no e bia na bodwe hafu kakra. So e bia na nim ye fia.
The picture cry no me nya the picture me hu no.
Yo, yati. Sami media me wajuma yo. George. Oh hu nipa na no ama yo.
Me nya homeless.
Yeah, bio.
Let's see how person here then.
You hear say people mini.
He's not listening.
I know, but you can tell him something because he's your family member. You can tell him something.
Who can be children? So Betty Uncle T. And yes, she right.
That to be now one thing.
Yes, she.
Me nya homeless.
When your first person I bet that one thing. Right.
Rasa.
Yeah.
Beso mami hu kaka wa miso. George, we are bear matter at least you for bibia nto nchen. Kan hu say be ma wo hwe ase a
Nenye
we we ya no. Ochine bi metimi asola be li petitiri.
We bonfire sir.
Utie sikafo titiri obia story a obia hwe ase ansa na obi.
Despite the crowd the area.
Areho. Enti adinti na bra. Omfa ho nhyem say o bua me. Adache me story a me so ma bua o.
Me fa me ho show situation.
Me pa try.
Na ka me my free bi mu apio. Ti me say nwura mu bio.
I also talk from
Hwe. Na dey say who say ye shepe say na sa ne no ano. Enya hwe na me say nya wonye first person. We be that bon.
Oh, what fine.
Sama kama adwena chento mi bunso ho bi.
What could you woman at them?
Ananya kwasasam. Guys, ya nya ska ko bunso wa. Oni ko bunso ro ka no. O ko di mama na tem.
Ona bunso ro me ka. Woman me ko say 10 city close to be the mommy.
Yeah, Yanko ro. Yanko and action. Me bad I will be 7 am so. Oh, crack your better today. What tell you when George? Let me say, I
don't tell him say, oh, what you mean, change. Hey,
Juma, yeah,
because it's candy. I will have no quarantine and come up.
Brother, the first can I'm here. I'm coming back.
Send it come in from one. My
send
them
first can I'm hey, Masa,
Yow.
Hey, only me answer.
Hey,
and we have bar. What gina did the
Kobby.
I am Jimmy. Samu's young answer. Who I wouldn't know my Yakram bow. Residential, oh, you did the Jimmy Sambaron. Hey,
me. What's
no more Juma. Now sound ko anwa.
I don't be on.
Me me kaga me bibi.
No
catch me say bibi ame.
Sure. I don't so. Oh, John Demolo, don't do that. You have 2 days remaining. Take out 2 days.
What is 2 days, Baya? I don't come over.
No,
No,
I no here. Say me no montem. Yes, he be ano.
because I'm so mutu for the way I am mathematics. I'm so mutu. So Obi and Fanny.
Oh, there be. Obi and Fanny.
Next time.
Now Obi do account.
Me. Oh, what's your camera? Teacher me free. I do it, man. O camera.
Roll. And action.
But so Obi and Fanny account.
There be me o camera. O camera. Na ba kono pre me teacher me free.
O kan what you say?
Say me free.
Say ma honya ha na free. Na. Okay, we no bombu.
Say wo se ba me bu. Wo se ba me bu fu rofro. Ya ko.
Roll. Roll.
Say me to me nkwa adwuma me nya hwe me twen se bi to me. Aka 8 days.
Yo, dear Max, many Frank has so why?
Is it Frank what here?
I don't need baby or two.
Yo.
This is how.
Me friend come on na netin mo ni baby what?
Baby or two. You are high now about and I said you are back here no best friend. No family call baby or two. Frank, call me for so anymore.
Anymore. Let's say come one come some man go be Frank it. Say come go.
Sir.
Oh, sister. I don't move your Frank it. I don't know me call it. You know, it's only a criminal man quite.
Mention sis.
Yeah, locked in a cage of my own making. I was between the hearts that we were breaking. I seen your face in the shadows of the neon light. Praying for the day we finally make it right. Every flight felt like a year in the sky. Staring at